Hey guys, before you watch this video, quick announcement. If you didn't see my video before where that was titled, "We Need Your Help," my sister recently just had a stroke, and we started a GoFundMe account for her to try to raise money to pay for the medical bills. If any of you guys would like to donate, any dollar amount, doesn't matter, any little bit helps. Feel free to click the link in the description. It'll take you right to the GoFundMe account. You can check it out. It's legit and everything. And yeah, all support's appreciated. So thank you guys for watching and enjoy the video. Yeah, what's up YouTube family? Back with another reaction. Today we are looking at one of the, how do you say this? How do you say their last name? Is it TUILAGI? Someone told me it was like with an N sound, like TUILAGI, Langi. Nah, I don't know. But we're looking at, I don't know how to say his first name either. So, man, forgive me, but these names are hard to say. We're looking at ALESANA. ALESANA is that silent. ALESANA, TUILAGI. The Samoan Bulldozer. Got quite a bit requested to this. So, without further ado, let's get this started at 40 seconds because we got to get the audio on sync. You can see him on YouTube. Is that what they just said? What is he? Is he national anthem? 16th, 5th, 4th. Hey, that stadium's humongous. That's one of the things I like about watching these, like just seeing how big the stadiums are and how jam-packed they are. Might sound stupid, but like to me that's always one of the coolest things. Cause like performing in front of that huge crowd, like 70,000 people, just freaking going crazy. That's some blurry video, bro. He's gone. So, because there's like 5 of them, right? 5 of the TUILAGI brothers. Do they all play on the same team? Damn! We just closed on the hell out of them. Boy, you better let go of that ball. Yeah, so ooh, big man can move. He just grabbed that one hand and said, "Whoop, I'm gone." Damn, it was some old video, huh? Or it's just bad quality. Bro, he's gone. Ah, yeah. That looked like it hurt. I thought I had already reacted to him, but I reacted to his brother, Manu, I think it was. Damn! Bro, some of these Samoans, man, they're too big and tough for their own good, man. Just go headfirst into a brick wall, and that wall is coming down. God damn, dude. They look so small compared to him. Bro, get off me, bro. Damn! God damn, that's a straight double. Just blast over them. Woo! Saw his head snap back. Just try to whip his hair. Damn, this video is like really blurry. That one wasn't too bad. Bro, he's gone too, bro. He's got some speed on him for a big dude. That's like, oh my god, that goddamn ant hurt, bro. Calm down. Oh, she. Just clean, no touch. Bro, it's a big dude, bro. Just jumping around like that. God dang, dude. Oh, he just broke through like 5 guys. Was that clip fast forward? The last one, not this one, the last one, because that looked really fast, like unnaturally fast. This guy's running, holding the ball like this. Oh my god, dude, he was cruising. The guy tried to catch up and then he sped up. Dude, that was insane. See, that I don't like to see though. I don't like to see when there's like all that empty seating and you're in the stadium. That's a big mofo. Oh man, that was laying on his head. Well, okay, that was a big mofo. I thought I had already done him, but I guess I did his brother Manu. I did. Is it Manu TUILAGI? I think pretty sorry, but yeah, just those guys. Every anything that I've seen from those guys, like those brothers, I did a reaction to the whole family. Then I did them a new one. Then I think I did another one, and then this is like the third individual one I did. But yeah, they're all beasts, man. They're all freaking monsters. If you like my reaction, make sure to do as always, leave a big flex on that like button, leave your comments down below. Let me know what you guys want to see me react to next. We are currently sitting at 5,620 subscribers, on our way to 10K, because that's the next goal. As always, I'm Chris. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all the support. Peace.